I'm Justin Phillips from Lone Star Cutting Solutions. Today we're going to look at an auto centering laser head. As you can see, we have the head positioned over the camera. I'm going to open the door to the camera. I'm going to go to my CNC cut head to smart laser alignment. We're going to move to detect point. Then we're going to move to detect height. Now from here, I've already zeroed it before, but from here you can auto center and then it'll get you pretty close. And then if you need to manually adjust, you can adjust your laser beam into the center of your nozzle using these arrows right here. That's just a new feature that we're offering now at Lone Star Cutting Solutions. Give us a call when you're ready to buy one.